When I was back home in India, my uncle was in army, so I was used to visit him whenever he moves to different cities. So most of it was by road. And I love meeting people. That's why I love driving. Once we were driving from Toronto to Vancouver. I stopped at a truck stop, and I heard this conversation from someone that see this company, they're not 100% legal. They don't let you manipulate with your logbooks, and they are so strict. I said, that's the one I want to drive for. And when I came to Bison, when I attended my orientation, tell you that you are more valuable than load. You can't replace human life. You can replace materialistic things, but you can't replace human life. That's what Bison's right to decide policy comes in. That's what I really like. You will experience that safety once you are pulled out at a inspection station. It happened few times to me that there was a whole lineup of trucks pulling into an inspection station, and then the officer will come out and point at you and say, you can go. And at that time you realize that why he pulled me out of those 10 trucks and let me go before looking at the others. That means that safety it's known in North America that this company is safe, their equipments are safe. I feel comfortable driving here because safety is a priority for Bison. So my family know that I will be home safe. And plus it give me kind of flexibility and safety and steady income and miles, whatever we want. So it's kind of a balanced stuff. It gave me a balance in life so that I can do my job and I can do my personal things all together. Better part of my driving with a Bison is that your team understand you as a human, what you ability you have, what you can do. So they know you personally. That's what help you achieve your whatever you want. It's the effort of everyone in the office, including mechanics and our shop and our dispatch. So it's basically team effort. That's what makes us one of the safest fleet in North America. Most memorable moment come a month and a half ago when I was in South Carolina. So I was able to see my classmate who was, we studied together in India, but I was able to meet him face to face after 38 years. That was the most memorable one. When this COVID thing started, people were standing along the highway with their kids with a sign thank you and with clapping and waving at you, and that makes you so proud that you are putting something very valuable as a driver which is impacting the communities and your families and your whole country. That makes me proud.